Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.
The 472 series is constructed with explosion-proof materials in motors, ensuring safe operation in hazardous environments. Performance curves illustrate effective pressure. In airflow management, the fan is dynamically balanced to reduce vibrations, enhancing operational stability. Materials used include cast aluminum stainless steel to prevent corrosion.
Decent machinery.
Y provides tailored solutions and on-site technical support for seamless integration and compliance with safety standards.
Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.